Assalamu alaikum class, my name is Kabir and I am from intermediate level 6 to 7. Today my presentation topic is an interesting match between India and Pakistan. As you know that cricket is one of the most exciting outdoor sports and it gives a moment of pleasure. It was a fine scenario and a large crowd of people had gathered to watch the match between India and Pakistan. India won the toss and invited Pakistan to bat first. Our openers were out at 20 runs. Then Mohammad Hafeez started playing good shot, but unfortunately he was out earlier. Then Umar Akmal completed 50 and Kamran Akmal was about to complete his century, but he was out at 96 runs. He played an outstanding inning and our whole team was out at the total of 160 runs. Australia made a poor start. Their first wicket was slammed at 10 runs. Then Raina and Rohit played very well. India looked forward to win the match. But Umar Akmal took 2 quick wickets and Pakistan came into the match back. It was the last ball and India needs 6 runs to win. But Umar Gul delivered an excellent delivery and finally the wicket was slammed. Pakistan guaranteed another exciting victory and the crowd went mad and congratulating their national champions for the great success. Thank you.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vara. I am from intermediate level 6 to 7. My topic is my hobby. My hobby is reading book. I like to read Islamic book. These are very knowledgeable. If the Muslims read the Islamic books, they can get lots of knowledge and they apply their lives according to Allah and peace be upon Him, saying. In the Quran, many topics about life, how we spend our life according to Quranic guidance. If the people apply their lives Quranic teaching, so the society will be success and peacefully. So we should act upon its teaching. That's all. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my name is Tabrik. I am student of intermediate level. My presentation topic is Holy Quran. Quran is a holy book. It's a great gift of Muslims. It's a great gift of Muslims. Almighty Allah, throughout the peace be up. Almighty Allah of the last messenger, peace be upon him. Quran is a complete guides of life. Quran is a complete guides of he is needs for Muslims, but for all human beings. Its facts of Almighty of peace be upon him. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khatija. I am the student of intermediate level. My presentation topic is namaz. It's a very brief topic, but I am trying to summarize in a minute. Namaz is a prayer practiced by Muslim to Allah. It is a pillar of Islam. It is the thing which helps us after death. The just thing which helps to answer about on the day of judgment is salat. Its importance
its importance has been emphasized about on 500 times in the Quran. In the Quran, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, says namaz is the key of heaven. It's prepare a person to live the life of goodness and obedience of Allah. Every time we perform salat, we renew in commitment of Allah. Say your prayers before prayers for you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My presentation topic is responsibilities of a good student. A good student is teacher and a pupil. He is punctual and regular student. His time is waste of gossips, and his punctual of his time in energy to devoted of acquisition for the knowledge and good habits and character. Early to bed, early to rise, and we train with the wealthy and healthy. They protect the weak and we can rise of that's all.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Danish. I am an intermediate student. Today, the topic of my discussion is not about a person place goal and ambitions. It is about a condition that almost everyone faces in his life. The topic of my discussion is failure. It's not limited to the failure in examination, but it is associated with every goal and desire which to can achieve in first attempt. Our society considers that is a negative thing, but I disagree because you just on attempt which goes wrong. You just fail when step you're trying after a facing. I would like to quote a quotation when lightened our life 9,999 times. Yes, it was Thomas Edison who invited bulb in 10,000 attempts and quoted. These find about these 9,999 waves which won't work Thomas Edison. So the point is there, failure is an opportunity to make another attempt. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, guys. Today is presentation day and my topic is desire, my desire. First of all, I tell you that everyone has desire. Everyone wants to have a big house and a big job and a good job and a lot of money. But by the grace of God, I have all the things. And now I spend my whole life to other. And my most important desire is to become an Alim-e-Deen. And I want to change my life. Want to change my life after becoming an Alim-e-Deen. And my intent to give Islamic knowledge to others. And I want to everyone to perform namaz 5 times in a day. And I want to everyone to give respect others. And I assure you that if you become an Alim-e-Deen, you will achieve all your desire.
My presentation topic, my favorite personality. I am saying my favorite personality, Qaizad Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He was born 25 December 1876 on Karachi. He was early education in St. Madrasatul Islam Karachi. He was sent to London, highest education and collected award highest degree in lawyer. He was great lawyer. He was founder of Pakistan. Is great as well as great lawyer as well as great leader of Muslim. That's why he is my favorite personality.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shadib Irfan. I am a student of intermediate level from 6 to 7. My topic is my English. I would like to tell you about my English studies. I will start with the role of English as number one language of international communication. Then I will pass to my own experience. Nowadays my English is very well, but before my English is very useless. Then when I came at TSC, then improved my English. We enjoy our classes and prepare carefully for it. Once said that English is not an easy language. To learn. There is a big problem of spelling. I want to achieve success in my life. English is not just a language, it's a way of knowledge, and knowledge is not a property of a particular man or nation. We should gain this knowledge and spread to others. And the other thing, this place name of TLC, no, this place name of life changes opportunity. This is the correct word in this place. I hope I will make my own future is bright. Hope you would like our presentation topic. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Hussain and I am student of intermediate level. My topic, I am doing a presentation named Government Taxes. There are every kind of taxes like income tax, property tax, tool taxes, so many taxes. But in any country, they are running of taxes. When people give taxes, then the country is made. And there's lots of taxes, and when all taxes are collected, it's called revenue. And revenue is for development things like roads, hospitals, and any other thing. I hope you like my presentation.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Hassan Ali and my presentation topic is aim in life. Life without useless, aimless and pointless. Life is the God blessing of God. Life is spread on another purpose, certain aim. And I want to be a teacher. I love this purpose. And my country is low purpose in other profession, and this is a good profession of teacher, and I would like to try profession on this line. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farzana. I am the student of intermediate level. Today the topic of my presentation is a true incident. 20 years ago, once I was traveling in a bus. The bus was full pack of the passengers. There a group of some peculiar ladies were also in the bus. They were famous for their pickpocketing. They had also some kids who nearby me. I was standing carefully and alert. The bus was moving on its way. The passengers were getting in and getting off the bus. Meanwhile, I didn't know a woman of these group moved ahead and stood at my backside quietly. Suddenly, I felt that something was creeping on my neck. I understood that something was going wrong. So I slowly, my hand took back inside my scarf. When my fingers touched the other hand, I immediately caught the hand and moved to the back. I saw one peculiar lady was standing. I took out her hand inside my scarf. I was surprised that my gold chain was in her hand. First of all, I snatched my chain from her and gave her 2 slaps. The passengers asked me what's the matter. I told them about the whole matter. They were also alert and they started to check their jewelry, their wallet, and they saved and then they said me beat her more, but I didn't do. The passenger demanded to the conductor get these ladies off from the bus. So the conductor did so as the passenger said. The ladies got off the bus, and I was very happy to save my chain, and thank to Allah, He saved me a great loss. Thank you.